Unlocking the Power of Unity, the Symbolic Journey. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into an incredibly meaningful phrase, a symbol of unity. This phrase holds a lot of weight and significance, especially in today's global context. We'll explore what it means, why it's important, and see some examples of symbols of unity from around the world. So, let's get started on this symbolic journey together. At its core, a symbol of unity refers to an object, image, or sign that represents the coming together of different entities, people, or ideas towards a common goal or purpose. Symbols of unity are powerful because they transcend language and cultural barriers, conveying a message of harmony, cooperation, and collective strength. Symbols can be anything from a flag, a monument, to a simple hand gesture. What makes them symbols of unity is their ability to rally people together, often becoming a source of pride and collective identity. Why are symbols of unity so important? They serve several crucial roles in societies. Promote peace and harmony. By representing a common goal or identity, these symbols can help reduce conflicts and promote peace. Inspire collaboration. They remind us of the power of working together, encouraging collaboration over competition. Strengthen community bonds. Symbols of unity can foster a sense of belonging and solidarity among members of a community or nation. Cultural significance. They often hold historical or cultural importance, enriching our understanding of a community's heritage and values. Let's look at some iconic symbols of unity. The Olympic rings, representing the 5 continents of the world coming together in the spirit of competition and sportsmanship. The peace dove, often associated with peace and pacifism, the dove is a universal symbol of harmony and reconciliation. The rainbow flag, known as the Pride flag, it symbolizes LGBTQ+ pride and the diversity of this community. Each of these symbols carries a unique message of unity, demonstrating how diverse groups can come together to form a cohesive and stronger whole. A symbol of unity is more than just a phrase. It's a powerful reminder of our shared humanity and the strength we can harness when we come together. Whether through a flag, a monument, or a simple gesture, these symbols speak volumes about our collective aspirations for peace, understanding, and harmony. We hope this video has enlightened you on the significance of unity symbols and inspired you to think about what they mean in your own life. Thank you for joining us on this journey. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, stay united and strong.